I just wanted to
So,
water.
I'm not sure where the baby is. I'm pretty certain that Mary had her baby. And with all the storms we had last night, I'm fairly certain that the baby got scared and I cannot find it. I just want to find it. Good morning, you guys. It is Zoe and Farmer Rhett with Chestnut Hills Farmstead. This morning we have had a big storm blow through the farm and all over our area, and we are out here. We came bright and early before Bubba and Sissy ever got on the bus, and we are checking on things and making sure that everybody is okay. Our first stop this morning was the piggies, because the piggies are escape artists. And so we had to come on down and we are gonna walk the fence line. There's Penelope. I was wondering where she was. I was getting nervous. She likes to get out and roam about. So we're gonna check our fence line and make sure that there's nothing on the down on our electric fence. It's very muddy. You can see where the water has washed through the road. So me and Farmer Rhett's gonna try and check this fence line and get any limbs off that need to be gotten off.
It's muddy.
I know, you can tell where the water ran down through here, can't you? All right, here's our first limb. You gotta get it off.
Mama, it's super muddy.
It's super muddy.
Uh-huh.
Let's get all the limbs off.
Oh, no.
Come on, let's keep going. Let's go check the fence. Ooh, it's a mess down here.
Mama, there's too many passes.
There's too many what?
Passes.
Passes?
Passes.
Paths. Paths.
Not passes.
No, that's not the right word. Let's get all this off of there. Because that's a mess. That can be a mess. Look. Everybody wants to see where Mama's going. Where are you going, Mom? Look at them big old fat things. Come on, everybody. You gonna walk with Mama? Let's go check the fence. Come on. Yeah. Let's go check the fence. So, a lot of this is not from the storm. This is just from where the pigs are naturally clearing it out. I'd like to go back and maybe in another video we can show you a before and after of where the pigs have done all this work. Yeah, you can see where the water naturally drained our little walkway here. This ground is not slippery at all. Red, are you checking the fence line or are you just walking? Huh? So as you see, this is what they like to do. They just root around. Well, the babies are always eating on Mama. It's time to wean, which is our project for this weekend. And see, she's doing her job. She's getting all that bad stuff out. Getting all them nuts that we don't want. Come on, everybody. I know y'all got to see what Mama's doing. Come on, everybody. Everybody follow in behind. Follow in line. Come on. So far the fence is looking good. Fence is looking real good. What you doing down here, Farmer Rhett? Did you find where the water's running off? come on. Let's go this way.
I just found the water.
You found some water? You found the sand? Come on, let's go. Hey.
To find it.
Okay, I'm going this way. I'm going to leave you here.
I'm just digging to find
Well,
it.
let's go this way. Come on. Let's check our fence.
Hey, Mom, I can see where. Can I?
Henry, did you find the corner of it?
Can I see where water is running? Can I?
Look at them beezy little noses. Beezy beezies. And beezy beezy.
No,
That's a pretty girl right there. That's a pretty red girl. Yes, you are. You like the colored one? And Babe looks like he went and got him a perm. Don't he?
To pet him.
You can always pet him. He loves to be petted.
Yeah. But he's wet.
He is wet. All right, Henry. You look like you've been up to no good. Are you in camouflage, Henry? Red. Look at Henry. 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 I couldn't see you because you're camouflaged.
Look, Mom. I got bit.
Everything look good so far? Everything looks good. Oh, I got a little branch right here. Nothing major. Nothing major. Come on. Come on, Henry. You following me. Come on. Come on, Henry. Come on, big boy. Tell him. Tell him. Come on, big boy.
Come on, big boy. Oh, they just running.
They are running. All right, come on. Let's keep going. Look at them being sweet. You found more water running? Okay, come on. Come on, Henry. Come on, Henry. Come on, Gertrude. Come on, Gertrude. Baby, there's lots of water running. So you can see we have to dig into the ground some. So this is actually really high up. It's about thigh high. So the pig's just coming right up to us. And come on, babies.
I'm digging here, Mom.
You're digging right there?
Yeah.
Hey, Henry. Hey, Henry. Hey, Henry. I don't have no corn yet. We got to get some corn in just a little bit. Yes. Come on, Henry. Hey, Henry. All right, come on. Let's go. Let's keep going. We got to keep going. We got work to do. Can't keep petting. We can't keep petting. We got to keep going. Got lots of work to do. So right over here is the other side of our fence of this big paddock. It's about 4 acres. And so right back here, now that it's getting to be winter time, you can kind of see there's a natural path that goes down, and you can see the creek back there. And it sounds so beautiful. All right, come on, let's go, kids. Come on, kids, let's go. Come on, kids. Come on. Looks like all is good in the pig pen. All right, seems to be no major issues with the pigs, with the pen. Everybody was still in. Yay! And so we're gonna check on everybody else, get everybody fed, tucked away, and we're gonna get on with our day. Also wanted to point out, if you notice, lots more babies inside the fence rather than outside the fence, because they are getting to be too big to be getting in and out without getting that little bit of a zip. So they are definitely growing. girls. Hey, girls. Good morning, girls. Okay, so I think we have an issue. Mary looks like she's had her baby. We had a big storm come through, and I don't see a baby. There's Pixie. See, Mary is not pregnant at all. Okay, Rhett, we've got to find the baby. I'm worried that maybe the baby went into the woods over here to get out from the storm. Oh my word. I'm worried. Mary, where's your baby? I'm looking to see if I can see where maybe she had it. Come on, Mary.
I just wanted to
So, I'm not sure where the baby is. I'm pretty certain that Mary had her baby. And with all the storms we had last night, I'm fairly certain that the baby got scared and I cannot find it. I just want to find it. So we are walking along the perimeter of the woods just to see if maybe it went in and lay down somewhere. I just don't know. So we're going to keep looking. And maybe I heard Mary start braying a little bit. I don't know if she's trying to tell me something. So I'm going to look through here, and then I'm going to go back down there where Mary is, and I'm going to look right outside their fence because she will not come out. What you doing, Heidi? What you doing? Heidi, I need your help. Can you come help Mama? Let's go find the baby. Come on, Heidi. Let's go find the baby, okay? Stay with me, please. Come on, Heidi.
Look,
Heidi.
Mom, look.
No, baby. Heidi, can you find the baby?
Have you ever seen Black Boy in the woods?
No, sweet pea, I haven't. Heidi.
Hello. Mom, go.
Oh my gosh. I found it, Rhett. I found it. Rhett, I found it. Stay. 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 I see it. Oh, sweet baby. Oh, bless it. Oh my gosh. It's okay. I'm coming. I'm coming to get you. Rhett, stay right there. I gotta get it. Hold on, let me get it. Come here, baby. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Come here. Come here. Here, hold it. Put your toy down. Here, give me your toy. I'll put it in my pocket. You hold the camera. Now, film Mama. You got it? It's on, okay? You film Mama. Ready?
I like it. Very cute.
It is very cute. It's very scared.
Yeah, it's very scary. You like it,
Mama
guys?
found it. Mama found it. Hold the camera up, baby. They can't see. You got to show them. Show them. Is it on? Let me see. Turn around. Let me see. Okay, ready?
Can we?
All right, bring it out. Come on.
I don't really. Mom, you're running out of time.
Okay, I'm coming. You got the camera right on?
Uh-huh.
Ready?
I want to pet it.
Look.
I just want to pet it.
Okay.
I just want to pet it. Oh, it's so cute. I can pet it.
Oh, I found the baby.
Mom, I can pet it.
I found the baby. It's wet.
Mom, I
Okay.
can pet it.
Let's evaluate it, okay?
Pet it.
And then we're going to give it back to Mary, okay? So we found the baby, and it was soaking wet, as you might have seen. So I've taken my jacket off, and we're under the barn, and I am trying to get it dried off a little bit, and we're going to take it over here to Mary and see what they think. Let's see. It's trying to walk, so I'm going to see if maybe it can walk a little bit. I'm not sure. I have no clue how old it is at this point or anything about it. Hey, sweet baby. Hey. Hey. Mary? Mary? Look, Mary, I got your baby. Come here, Mary. Look. So here's the deal. We don't know how long this baby has been out. So we're going to evaluate, just like with the baby goats. If things don't work out, then we're going to have to step in. But we don't know for sure until we get everything evaluated. That is good girls. To me. You gotta stay with Mama. You gotta stay with your Mama. It's okay, Mary. It's okay, Mary. You want Mommy help you? You want Mommy help you? It's okay, Mary. Pixie, no. She's trying to show her how. So me and Farmer Rhett ran down to the Tractor Supply and we got a bottle. We got some colostrum replacement. Just a supplement really. Just so, because we're not sure how old the baby is. I'm not sure if it's nursed any. We just want to make sure that it gets some colostrum in it. So we are not going to take the baby home or anything like that. I'm just going to see if I can get with it and maybe try to feed it some. If it hasn't eaten, this will help give it that kickstart it needs. If it has, we'll know because it's not going to want to nurse on. It's not going to want to nurse on this bottle. So let's see what we can figure out. Look, you want to try it? It's okay, Mary. There you go. Almost. Almost. There we go. Ready? Here. Here. Getting some? Come here. Where you going, sweet pea? Come here. Mary, you want it? Want it? You can have it. Good girl, Mary. Oh, so sweet baby. Yes, you are. Here, Mary. Here, Mary. Oh, we dropped it. Here, Mary. Good girl, Mary. Here. Here. You gotta open the mouth. Open the mouth up. There we go. There we go. We're getting somewhere. Let's give Mama another one. Here, Mama. Here, Mama. You want another one? Here you go. Look. Okay. Get one to Gypsy. Here. Ready? Gotta open the mouth. You gotta open the mouth. Yes, you do. You need another one? You need another one? Here, Mary. Here, Mary. Good job, Mary. Yes, you do. Alright, so what we are doing is we went back to the farm this evening to check on the baby donkey, and he was not doing very well at all. So we decided we needed to bring him home and intervene. He had not been nursing, and it has taken us a little while, but we have finally found something to help him nurse with. And it is a medicine syringe, and he is drinking this milk on down now. We were pretty worried there for a little while, but I feel like we are going to do okay. Yes, we're spilling some, but he is slurping. He has finally found his thing with this syringe. We've tried a bottle. The bottle nipple was too big. But now that we've gotten the hang of nursing with the tongue thrust, I think we're going into a milk coma now. She's doing better now that we've brought her home and got some colostrum in her and got her warmed up. The temperatures are going to be below freezing tonight. So we're going to keep her here at the house, and then tomorrow we'll take her back to the farm and reintroduce her to her mama. And so for now, we're just going to do some baby donkey cuddles. Thanks for watching, you guys. We will see y'all on the next video.